Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to BHROMAN BRAAPSODY. This is where we review cars, motorcycles, do road trips, do fun stuff. But we unboxed our car door in our last video. So in today's video, let's go ahead and unbox our other sponsor's product, which is brake free lights. So this is the little thing that goes, it's a little module that goes on the behind of your helmet, and it's waterproof. It's got an 8 to 10 hour battery life, and it's supposed to increase your visibility because there are 100 LED lights in that. There's no need for any apps, there's no wires needed, none of that. It can, like, as soon as you start decelerating, it's supposed to start lighting up, and you have different modes that you can set it to, so it can strobe, it can flash, or it could just be a regular tail light. So let's go ahead and open this box. All right. Oh, it tells you, please read the quick start guide. It's for folks like me. I never read anything. Okay. It even tells you once again, like, no, seriously, read the guide. Inside, we got this cool module. I don't know if it's got any juice in it. Nope, no juice, so we'll have to charge it. And what else? Quick start guide, your universal mount, and the charging cable. And that's what you get inside the box, you guys. You get the actual module, the charging cable, the mount, a few stickers, and the quick setup guide. So we're gonna go ahead and charge it and see what's what. Alright, so the brake-free module has now been charged. It's got a charging port at the bottom. Open this port, that's your USB charging, and then turn it at the top. You see that button? That's your control button. So to turn it on or a quick start, you just press it once and it'll give you a status. It'll blink the status, the battery life, right? So if it blinks 3 times, which it just did, that means it's got 75 to 100% power left. 2 blinks is 50%, and I think 1 blink is like low battery. And to change modes, just quick tap of the button on the top. You press it once, that's the normal. Press it again, you get the whole thing lit up, and then if you want to go into strobe, you press it again. And to turn it off, you just press and hold that button for a couple of seconds, and boom. If you turn it around, that's your mounting point. So you gotta put the mounting bracket on the helmet, then this module will just slide onto that mount. Now to mount the brake-free module, I'm gonna use my LS2 Valiant 2 helmet. So the first thing we gotta do is make sure that the module fits the back of the helmet and sits flat. The Valiant 2 is a modular helmet that folds all the way. So I just wanna make sure that I don't hit it when I use the modular. So that's gonna go somewhere down there. I'm just gonna give it a quick little wipe down. So you clean the surface for the brake-free mount, which is this guy. Then you take the mount, peel off the 3M tape, then just peel off the 3M tape and the adhesive. Then you place it onto the mounting point on the back of my helmet. So I'm gonna go like right here. Just press it down a little bit, like so. Let it sit for a few minutes. Now we're just gonna go ahead and slide this in and see how it works. It is a little loose, and it clicks into place there, so it shouldn't wobble around. So it slides into place and it's pretty stable, and boom, let's try it out. Yup, so that's how it's gonna look. I like it. Well, and I'll be doing the whole product review on my 18-day ride, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, you guys. Keep your knees in the breeze. Bro out.